To truly taste LA, one must always have street tacos. There's practically one on every corner. Today, we are going around trying some of the best taco trucks on Venice Boulevard. With me, I'm bringing along my friends Emily fucking Williams, who is visiting from New York, and Brandon, CEO of Longboarding, to help give quality reviews on these local faves. We are using a 1 to 10 rating scale to best assess these 3 categories: ambiance, taste, and value. The first place on our list was a local fish taco spot that pops up on Venice Boulevard between Fridays and Saturdays. First glance is looking really good. I really like it. They have music. Emily, what do you think of the ambiance here?
Definitely giving me pop-up, like, pop-up shop vibe.
They have grass. Brandon?
Yeah, kind of like low-key putting green vibes. Hello.
Is he waving too?
Yeah, we go over there. I think.
Oh! This is not the line. Can we do 2 shrimp tacos?
Hey Emily, so what's the deal? You're allergic to shrimp?
I actually just really don't like the taste of shellfish.
What makes your shrimp tacos the best?
Everything's fresh. The fries, the salad, make everybody happy.
Everyone's happy. Look at, she's making the tortillas right here. The bar is really set high. Homemade tortillas, like, I haven't seen that anywhere else in LA. All right, so these tacos cost $10, so 3 for 10, which makes that, what, Brandon, $2.50 each?
No. $3.33 each.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Woo! Here inside the restaurant, my car. This is the shrimp taco. Here we have the fish taco, and then we have 2 more shrimps. Emily, how are you feeling about
I'm
this?
excited. I might actually start to like shrimp after today.
Brandon?
They definitely gave us the homie hookup.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you.
But, well, you know, let's just eat it.
Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, hell yeah.
Oh my god.
That might be like, holy fuck, it's spicy. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, that might
Got a
be.
kick.
Why did no one warn me? That's so good, but oh my god. My mouth is on fire. Yeah, overall, I would say, let's say 10 out of 10, and this is our first stop.
Brooke, you can't do this.
I can't give them a 10 out of 10. Ambiance, I'd say 10. Ambiance 10.
I'm gonna say ambiance 7.
They were very, very friendly, so I'm definitely gonna give them a 9. Like, that was really nice.
I'm gonna change mine to 8. Actually, I'll change it to 8.
Brandon!
I don't like the fake grass.
It's kind of weird. Nobody was even standing on the fake grass. Like, what was it for?
Value, I would give like a 5. $3.30, like $3.50 for a taco, kind of on the expensive side.
Value 7.
Would I come back here? Yeah, like I would come back here for a taco. 7.
Taste, I would rate extremely spicy. Could I eat like a plate of these? No. Could I eat one of them? Yes. And was it really, really good? And would I come back? Absolutely. I would give taste a 7.5.
Taste was 7. It like didn't really, well, it wasn't awesome, but it was.
Fish taco was pretty good. Like, it was a solid, again, a solid 8.
So we're here on Venice Boulevard again, and we found this place called La Oaxaqueña. How do you guys feel about the ambiance so far, just first glance?
I love the seating, the flickering light. It's definitely a cute little thing for me.
It almost reminds me of kindergarten with the little like miniature colored chairs.
This flashing light makes me feel like I'm at a subpar rave. Hi! Can I get 3 El Pastor tacos? So we've been sitting here for what, like 15 minutes for 3 tacos? The flickering light though, Brittany, you look like you're in a rave.
Yeah. Thought it was cool when we got here, but it turned uncool really quick.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Woo! We finally got our food. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, about time.
Presentation is beautiful.
Quite tasty.
Ooh. This isn't as spicy as the other one.
This is like a more of a full mouth spicy, but it's not as spicy.
I'm here for it. This is good. These are really good. Value, I'd say solid 8.
Solid 9. $1.50 for a taco is pretty great if you're on a budget.
An 8 or a 9, like $1.50 for a taco. You get 3 of them for less than $5. It's a pretty good deal.
Ambiance, I would give literally a 2.
Like a 4. It was kind of sketchy seeing like flashy lights, but the 4 points come from the 4 chairs that were sitting there that were colorful. They were pretty cool.
People were not friendly.
There was a dog. The dog. Wait, that's where the 4 points came from. There was a dog.
We're gonna go ambiance a 2.
Taste, 6.5. I'm currently choking on the spice right now.
A 9. No, it wasn't a 9. It was like a 7. The spice was way too overwhelming.
7.
So this is quite possibly my favorite taco truck in Los Angeles. Changed my mind about how I feel about quesadillas. I love quesadillas. So there's never a line this long, but this is insane. This place slaps. Can I get 3 El Pastor tacos? Thank you. This is the loading station where you load it up. They cook it on the spule. It's so good. This is freshly cut.
As is, it doesn't look great.
The flavor is gonna be amazing. We're just gonna put this.
Like I know.
Oh yeah. Here we go on the, I would argue, some of the best El Pastor in LA.
This is really good.
The presentation is by far the shittiest out of all the places we've been, but $1.50 taco, pretty decent deal. The other one I felt like was a little bigger, but this meat, the Al Pastor, definitely tastes a little nicer.
This is my favorite place. The meat is where it's at.
Honestly, I'm not super impressed. I love the quesadillas, but like, it's decent. Ambiance is like a 6. It's kind of interesting seeing the Lugnut King. The string lights are nice. Yeah, I'd say maybe a 7. I mean, there's a shit ton of people here earlier.
I'm gonna give it a solid 8.5. It's one of those things where like you like what you can't have. I was like, damn, we gotta wait. Like, what's the wait for?
Girl, it's like One Oak. It's like the worst.
What are we waiting for?
I love this place. I'm giving ambiance a 10.
As far as value goes, decent value. I'd say a 6 though.
Maybe like a 7.
These tacos are a little thin and flimsy. It pains me because their quesadillas are amazing. Like a 4. Value of 4.
Taste, honestly, like I'd go like 6, maybe 5 even. I'd say 5.
That's crazy.
Texture of the meat was a little funny.
I had a weird thing in my mouth that was hard, but other than that, the meat of the El Pastor is so juicy and rich. An 8, but their El Pastor is 10, and their fucking quesadillas are a 10.
A solid 9. I like the taste of it. I mean, I like the texture of the meat. I didn't like the texture of the shrimp, so I have to disagree with Brandon there.
Brandon, we get it. You don't like it.
All the places we went, kind of a 7, but in their own way. The first spot, like super cool dudes, ingredients were nice. The price was a little expensive. Second one, ambiance sucked. These guys, they're similar, but much better ambiance, slightly worse taste.
Simon Cal over here.
Chef Ramsay.
Where's the lamb sauce?
My favorite would have to be, I would say the first, here.
The Lugnut King.
Yes. The first place, I loved the fact that they gave us free tacos.
They had the grass. They had the happy cook. This place is my favorite. It's always gonna be my go-to. Lots of memories here on this sidewalk. The other place, didn't love. I didn't like sitting there with the flickering light. I felt like it was ripping my eyeballs out. I'm gonna give first place to the first place. Second place to the Lugnut King outside of Whole Foods. Third place to the yellow bus. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm probably gonna try more foods. Emily, she's a very talented skater from New York who is potentially moving here to Los Angeles. Please go follow her, like and subscribe. If you remember Brandon, the CEO of longboarding, the CEO critic of tacos, go check out his trick tips, his YouTube channel that will be dropping soon. Very talented human. Yeah, so I will see you guys here next week. Mwah. Okay, Brandon's tired. Emily wants to go home.